Dad, tomorrow's wedding, I'm gonna break up with Jake. In front of everyone. Father, I want to break up with Jake.
What happened?
He cheated on me with my best friend, Dorothy.
What? I'll cancel all cooperation with Jake's family's hotels right away. And your best friend, I don't care if she's a werewolf or something, she'll pay for what she did.
Don't rush, Dad. I want to utterly destroy their careers and reputations right at the wedding.
All right, baby girl. Daddy's in on all your plans.
Adulterous scumbags. You will pay dearly for your actions. A human girl in wheelchair. Never got to taste of this. We'll teach you how to please a wolf.
Thank you.
God, she is my fated mate, a human girl. Sorry for that. Can I ask about this wheelchair? Is it permanent?
2 years ago, I hurt my spine in a tornado.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Is there anything else I can do to help you?
Yes. Marry me.
What?
I'm just kidding. You know, I once risked my life to save the man I love and ended up with his betrayal. So how could I expect a gentleman like you to fall for me?
Wait! I will marry you.
Sure. If you marry me, I'll make everyone bow down on their knees everywhere you go.
Really? Really, do you know who I am?
Anyone but a werewolf. I don't like werewolves.
Guess I'd better keep it a secret that I'm the pack's alpha.
So, what do I call you?
Kyle.
Okay, Kyle. See you at our wedding.
Father, I've found my mate. Come to my wedding tomorrow. I hope Ripley can see my sincerity and be less prejudiced against werewolves.
Alpha, are you sure that human girl will be your mate? A wheelchair girl?
Her father is just a car mechanic, the lowest among human.
I've made up my mind.
Welcome to the wedding of our groom, Jake Miller, and our bride, Ripley Sesson. What a handsome groom.
As for the bride, there must be an untold love story behind this wheelchair.
Would you like to share it with everyone?
I'll do it.
Jake and I met in college. Then I was forced to drop out of school.
So the bride sacrificed herself for love. How touching.
Far from touching, I guess. 2 years ago, that signboard crashed down. I shoved Jake out of the way. The signboard crashed down on me. And I could never stand up again.
Enough. This is not the place for you to play the victim and tell stories.
Shut your mouth! Quit complaining in such a sacred place.
Jake, do you really think you deserve to be my groom?
What a joke. You think I'm not good enough for a cripple like you?
That's right. You don't deserve me at all.
Ripley, mind your manners. This is your wedding with Jake.
This is not my wedding with Jake at all. I declare Jake Miller will never be my groom! I declare Jake Miller will never be my groom!
God, tell me it's just a prank.
She's changing the groom at the wedding.
No one's breaking up today! Ripley, are you crazy? Do you know how much humiliation my son swallowed to marry you? You don't deserve to dump him first.
He swallowed humiliation. How hilarious. Why don't you ask him what shameful things he's done?
Shameful? How dare you talk about my son like that? He didn't even care that you are a cripple! And even prepared this wedding for you. Be grateful!
Be grateful for how you cheated on me.
What? If you slander my son again, I'll make sure you wicked woman never walk out of this church.
If you don't believe me, ask your good boy.
Son, what is she talking about?
Shut up, bitch! I never planned to marry you anyway! Get the hell out of here with your damn wheelchair! Die alone!
Die alone?
Yeah. You think anyone would like to sleep with a helpless cripple? You're dirt poor, too. No man will ever marry you.
Actually, there is. And he's so much stronger than you in every respect. He will put a ring on my finger very soon. You can go welcome him like a watchdog.
Don't be silly. You really gonna marry another man today?
Mom, don't worry.
I didn't plan to marry her anyway.
Today is the wedding of me and her best friend, Dorothy!
What is all this?
That's right. Today is indeed my wedding with Jake.
Looks like he's really changing the bride.
We're in for a show today.
Jake, what is going on here?
Mom, I know you've been worried about me ever since I got engaged to this cripple. How much I had to suffer, and how many insults I had to take. So, I'm dumping this cripple right now.
And marrying my beautiful and intelligent Dorothy instead.
But isn't Dorothy Ripley's best friend? How could you two?
Clearly, she lied. And she concealed her werewolf identity.
Oh yes, I am a werewolf. I was raised in the most powerful pack, receiving an elite education since childhood, and my father is the strongest beta serving at our alpha's side. But as for Ripley, abandoned, motherless cripple, no matter how much I tried to help her, she was useless. Just like her mechanic dad, reeking of poverty. If it weren't for me, she would have ended up on the streets.
She doesn't deserve to be my friend at all.
I'm the daughter of this Cessna.
My smart and beautiful Dorothy, and this cripple is like a princess and a peasant.
What if I got a hidden identity too? You will kneel down and beg for my mercy the moment I reveal myself.
Oh God, honey, look at her.
She's just trying to save her face. How pathetic.
Well, Ripley, since we were once friends and your fiancé is marrying me anyway.
If you crawl on the floor with your useless legs for one lap, I'll give you $10,000 and let you go. From then on, we're dead to each other. I'm not interested in your petty cash. I want you to kneel down, admit you're a whore, and beg for my forgiveness.
Don't test my patience, bitch. I can shut your mouth forever.
Dorothy, don't push things too far!
What, do you have something to do with this cripple?
Today is my first time meeting the bride. I just can't tolerate you abuse her.
Money is everything. I have lots of money. I'll humiliate her however I want.
She's right. And I, this handsome young man, inherited my family's hotel.
This cripple and I, we are from different worlds.
Of course I'm dumping her. What, am I supposed to take her home as a charity case?
Well said, son. You got so much sympathy! Then why don't you take this cripple home?
Do you have any conscience left? The bride got injured for saving your son. You ought to take care of her. Otherwise, God will cast you all into hell!
Quit threatening me with God.
Let me show you what the real truth is.
Everyone! Who should I marry? This penniless, useless cripple? Or the beautiful and wealthy Dorothy?
Great! Time for a vote. Whoever votes for me gets $1,000.
Who would refuse that?
Who's voting for Ripley?
See? Freaks are rare.
All right, who thinks Jake should marry me? See, money speaks.
I know my son always makes the wisest choice.
Jake's wife can only be Dorothy. This is simply the glory of the Miller family. Stop looking so miserable, Jink. Blame your useless father for all this.
What did you say about my father? Useless?
You have no idea who I really am.
What, that you're some hidden heiress or something?
Did that tornado blow your mind too? That engine oil stench on your dad couldn't lie. He's just a filthy mechanic.
You'd better leave along with your damn wheelchair. Dorothy and I still have to finish the ceremony.
In your dreams, this is the wedding ceremony of me and my real fiancé.
Real fiancé? I haven't even caught a scent of him. Stop bluffing.
Everyone, please help us carry her out. Go away! Don't touch me!
CEO of the Goodwill Group, Kyle Goodwill, officially proposed to Miss Ripley, Cessna.
He's a wolf. The alpha.
Let her go.
No way. Oh, our almighty alpha could never show his face like this, not to mention marrying a cripple. Oh, crap. My legs, they won't move.
Kyle, the eldest son of the Goodwill family, will offer half of his share to marry Miss Ripley.
The
The young CEO of that Goodwill group, the one controls the world's rarest element reserves?
Ripley's becoming a billionaire heiress in the blink.
Miss Ripley, will you marry me?
Of course I do. A billionaire CEO proposes to a poor, powerless, disabled girl. Why would I refuse?
Now we are husband and wife.
Drop the act! A fake CEO and a dirt poor wheelchair girl, no one buys it.
Oh, I know you. The scumbag who cheated on his fiancé with her best girl right after she risked her life to save him, right?
Shut up! Stop talking nonsense!
I have been gathering evidence since I knew all your scandal.
If you don't apologize to my wife today, I'll destroy you right in front of everyone.
You think I'm afraid of your damn tricks? If you really got proof, then show it.
You asked for it.
Everybody, enjoy the show.
Yes, Jake. Dora, babe, I can't get enough of you.
Enough! Enough!
I have plenty of videos like this, just in case you need me to present more evidence.
Yeah, I hooked up with Dorothy. So what?
I feel sick just looking at that disabled freak. What?
Disabled freak? Don't make me laugh.
Ripley, ignore his words.
I'll make him regret this.
Jake, you think I'm disabled, poor, and a total failure, don't you?
Isn't that obvious?
What, have you forgotten you're still sitting in that damn wheelchair?
What if I told you I've been faking it this whole time? Jesus, I'm done with your drama.
Get lost with your damn wheelchair!
I'm finishing the ceremony with Jake.
A paralyzed faking paralysis? How funny.
If you're not paralyzed, then stand up from that wheelchair. If you can't, then you're just a disabled freak!
Fine. Then watch closely.